How to use built-in ruler in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on display, scroll down, click on edge panel. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on panels. Now click on tools. Now go back, open edge panel. Now here you will see tools. Now click on three dots more option. Click on ruler. Now here you will see ruler. Now click on calibrate. After click on calibrate, drag screen left or right to calibrate it. After calibrate, click on done. This is how you can use built-in ruler in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.